Hola y buenos dias. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Soy Ruth and my channel is Spanglish Fantastico. The Daily Word Builder is a section in the Language Learning Journal by Dan Hall, which goes for 6 months, where you track your progress every day for 6 months. And there is a little section of that where we focus on one word for a week. And this week, la palabra es problema. Now, el problema con problema is going to be the gender, isn't it? Because it's el problema. Okay. Normalmente, when a word ends in a noun, it's a feminine noun. La guitarra, la enfermera, which is a nurse. La hija, the daughter. But there is un grupo. Now there are some exceptions, but this el problema belongs to un grupo de palabras that come from griego. And so we have quite a few ejemplos, and they end in ma, pa, or ta. Okay? So we have, por ejemplo, el drama, el planeta, el mapa, what else? El idioma, the language, el programa. There are lots of them. El tema, the theme. El tema de la semana es el problema. El clima, which is the weather, el sistema. What else? El estigma. Hay muchos. So they end in ma, which is ironic, isn't it? Because ma, there could be nothing more feminine than mama. Now. In English. So that brings me on to another little idiosyncrasy, shall we call it, de español, which is that words that end in dad are feminine nouns. So we have la maldad, which is evil, la bondad, which is goodness. And then we have a whole grupo de palabras that end in ity, in inglés, and end in idad, in español, la calidad, quality, la ciudad, city, la autoridad, la eternidad, la oportunidad, la generosidad. Okay, so I'll put up those listas. And para terminar el video de hoy, there is un grupo de palabras that end in ma, that are feminine as well, just to further muddy the waters. So we have la forma and la cama, which is the bed. La rama is a branch on a tree, por ejemplo. La llama is a flame, the flame rather, and la mama is the mother. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to memorizar those tres grupos de palabras with their corresponding el or la for the word for the. And I will see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.